Hey guys, it's Welshie from Welshie Tech. This is just me doing a video for you. This is just giving a shout out to everyone. Thank you for the last couple of videos. I've had loads of views, a couple of likes. I'd just like to thank you. But this is a little preview I'm doing. Is something I'm doing right here, which if you look, I'm literally stripping everything out. It's because I will be doing a build. My PC is going to be stripped completely to bare bones. Everything's going to be taken apart and reassembled. Something on Facebook this week kind of upset me a little. There was a guy on one of the groups I'm in. I'm not going to name names, but he bought a pre-built system from a supplier, and he came back with his tempered glass smashed to smithereens due to the courier. So yeah, that's one thing people have problems with when it comes to pre-built. Yeah, some don't actually have them broken, but on the occasion it does happen. So this video is going to be a shout out for those people who don't know how to build them. It's just going to be back to basics, and another video for that playlist, so go check it. The link for that will be in the description, or you can just click up there for the link for CPU installation. I'm going to be doing a full strip down on the computer, and then what I'm going to do is do it in two parts. The first part will be motherboard, RAM, CPU, and installation into the case. The second part then is going to be GPU installation with cable management and fans. Then I'm going to do another video then with reinstalling Windows, show you from scratch how to actually install Windows from a USB drive. Not a lot of people do it. A lot of people actually these days, I know me back when I was younger, I used to use CDs, which is quite redundant these days, but yeah. So if you want to see that video, give me a likes up, give a nice comment at the bottom. That video is coming soon, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for that notification. Make sure you click that notification button. It is for upcoming videos. So I hope you're looking forward to the next video on Welshie Tech's channel. Complete computer build. Going to show you the basics, back to basics for new users or users who just buy pre-made built systems. This is for you. So this is going to be just a little short video. The next video I will be doing today, I'll be doing the first part today and second part tomorrow. They will be up either, the first part will be either up tomorrow night, maybe sometime, but the second part will be up either Tuesday or Wednesday. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Welshie out.